Good morning. So today what we're going to do is start to prepare a very basic first aid kit, because whenever you're going to go camping, even around the house, or if you're going to have something in your car, you should always have a basic first aid kit, because some people like to get minor cuts all the time and feels like she needs a tourniquet. So we're going to do some very basic first aid kit. And I just realized I don't have any gauze, so I'll have to go make another trip over to CVS, and we'll take a video of that going to CVS to go get some gauze. Whenever you're building your first aid kit, look out for sales. A lot of the stuff that I got to this weekend, it was buy 3 get 1 free, and then I had some CVS extra care bucks and things like that. So I was able to say hi. So I was able to get a lot of the stuff for our first aid kit, and you must, again, always have a first aid kit with you, especially when you're camping. And we're not going to put everything in here. We're just going to make a small little container, and I'll show you some of the stuff that we're using. And the container that I'm going to use that is old school to me, because my grandmother used this for everything, God rest her soul. So let's take a look. Okay, so here's some of the stuff we're going to be using today. We're going to be putting some wide foaming antibacterial, some tape, which we'll use the gauze. Go get some gauze for that. This is actually a mini first aid kit that came in there. It's 30 pieces. I'll pop that open in a second. I actually got that for free because I had a coupon for that, so that cost me nothing. So these are wide bandages. We'll pop a few of those so if you have a bigger cut. Some antibacterial spray that I usually get from, I'm going to turn this over because we get these at my job for free, but there's Band-Aids inside there, and I didn't want to show the vendor because they're not a sponsor. So anyway, but there's antibacterial spray in there if you see that. What else do we have? Some more antibacterial ointment, some cortisone ointment, some itchy spray, some cute Band-Aids for the kitties, and then another antibacterial. I don't know why I have so much. I think they were on sale, so I got extra. This one is a cute. You want to pop that open?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Look at these cute Band-Aids. These are so cute. And again, I had a coupon for those at CVS. Look at that one. So we're going to just be popping a few of these in. Ready?
Look at this one.
Yeah. So we're going to pop a couple of these in. Oh, the tray.
This one is so cute.
Cute. You know when you get your cookies Christmas time?
Yeah, cookies.
Save the containers. Don't throw the containers out.
No.
I'll show y'all more information about the containers. Don't mind the mess back there. We're still unpacking.
And subscribe, turn on post notifications, and turn that bell on.
Turn off postifications?
Yeah.
Notifications, silly.
Yeah, I don't really know.
Notifications. Okay, do what she says. Hit subscribe. Turn on the notification. Like. And make a comment. If you think there's anything else that we need in our first aid kit, I know I need the gauze, and I know there's a few other items that I'm not thinking of right now. So
yeah, comment down below.
Comment down below. So we're going to put the ointment in there. We're going to put the spray in there. We're going to put a few of these cute Band-Aids in there.
Some small Band-Aids too.
Small Band-Aids. What's that little container right there? What's that container right here? What is that?
It's not a container.
Oh, that's just a separator. Okay. Yeah. So this is a container, a first aid kit in and of itself, and it's just super cute. So
it's like all organized.
Exactly. See? Very organized, the different sizes. So for us, we're just going to toss them in there.
Yeah.
So we're going to toss that in there.
Oh, this too.
No, open it up and take a couple out. We're not going to put all of them in there. We're going to put the tape in there because we are going to get some gauze later on. We are going to take a couple of these out, the big ones.
Some of these are the Band-Aids that are some of these.
Uh-huh. And again,
so I'm just going to take 2 packs.
Okay, perfect. 2 packs. And these are some of the wide ones. Again, for just emergency purposes.
Some of these.
Yeah, open those up. Take a couple of those out.
3 or 4 or something.
3 or 4 is perfect.
Yep.
Uh-oh, don't worry, we'll get it later. So we'll take a couple of these.
That is
perfect.
Let's take one more.
All right, open this up and see what's inside there.
Let's see what's inside. Ooh, there's more bandages.
Okay, so in here we have some antiseptics, some Oh, here we go. Here's some gauze pads. I knew I needed some gauze pads, so we have some of
and
those.
some more.
So we're not going to take all of those since we have Band-Aids already. So we're going to take a couple of the antiseptics. We're going to take another gauze. And what are those? Just Band-Aids?
Yeah, all
Okay,
Band-Aids.
so we'll leave that closed. So we do have the gauze now. Woo woo.
Yay, now we don't have to buy anymore.
So the only thing next is I'm going to throw in a pair of tiny scissors. So if we need to cut anything, it's all there. And then, now we'll get it later.
Okay.
So then you close this up. And this is your first aid kit. Simple. And it's all contained in one thing. It's easily recognizable. So if you need to get it, easily transport it, we'll put that in there too. And so don't forget, make your first aid kit, bring it along with you. And then because you have so much other stuff left over, you can make first aid kits for your cart. And I think all of this together, because I use coupons and extra care points, I think all of this was less than 20 bucks. So you don't have to spend a lot to be safe.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's it for now. Be sure to what?
Subscribe.
What else?
Turn on post notifications.
Turn on the notifications.
That's what I'm trying to say. And turn the bell on.
Okay, there you go. And comment below.
Comment down below.
Comment down below.